Let's get into it. First, a quick but important disclaimer. Investing always involves risk. Markets go up and down. Nothing is guaranteed, and you are always responsible for your own financial decisions. What you're about to hear is not personal financial advice. It's an educational example based on my personal experience and knowledge. So, why invest at all? Because if your money is just sitting in a checking account, it's slowly losing value. Why? Inflation. That means prices rise over time. A chocolate bar that costs $1 today might cost $1.20 in a few years. So even if you have the same amount of money, you can buy less. That's called losing buying power. That's why investing is how you protect and grow your money. Now, let's talk about what I'd actually do with that $100. If you're working with small amounts, costs really matter. So I'd go with a passive index fund, something low cost, diversified, and simple. An index fund is basically a basket of companies, hundreds or even thousands in one fund. You don't have to pick individual stocks. You buy the whole market, and that means lower risk and less stress. Some index funds cost as little as 0.2% annually. That's your fee. It's super low. And here's the thing. Historically, passive index funds outperform actively managed funds over time. Why? Because you're not paying someone to guess the market. You're just following it. Let's talk about compound interest. This is one of the most powerful forces in investing. Compound interest is when the money you earn on your investment starts earning money too. So let's say you invest $100. Over time, it grows to $120. Instead of just earning interest on your original $100, you're now earning interest on $120. And then that total grows and earns even more interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but the longer it rolls, the bigger and faster it grows. The key is time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. That's why even $100 a month, consistently invested, can grow into something big over the years. But here's the key. Investing is not a short-term game. It's long-term. Think 5, 10, even 20 years. There will be dips. That's called volatility. It's normal. It passes. You don't freak out when it rains. You know the sun comes back. Same with the market. So think of this money as a gift to your future self. Something you won't touch. Something that's meant to be there years from now. Here's how to make it stick. Automate it. Set up an automatic monthly transfer. $25, $50, $100. Whatever you can afford. This builds the habit without effort. It removes emotion from the process. You're investing without even thinking about it. It's like paying your future self. First, if this video is helpful so far, tap like. It really helps the algorithm. And let us know in the comments. Are you investing already? Or is this your first step? We'd love to hear from you. To recap, we talked about inflation and why money loses value over time, why passive index funds are perfect for small, consistent investments, how compound interest grows your wealth silently in the background, the importance of long-term thinking and writing out volatility, and why automation makes investing effortless. You don't need to be rich. You just need to be consistent. This is Growth Minded. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more clear, no BS financial tips. Thanks for watching. And remember, give your future self a chance.